how to fix restricted account in World App. So here's World App, and yeah, there is some glitch in there, and a lot of accounts for users are recently restricted. As I was reading, it's not possible or very hard to unrestrict your World App account, unfortunately. So if your account was restricted, then you don't have access to support anymore and all things like that. So then this is just what's happening. So yeah, that's what it is. Unfortunately, you can read about it on Reddit. I was just checking it out. Some people still say that through the mobile app you can try to reach out support. Sometime it still works only through mobile app, and after you do that you will be able to unrestrict it. And that's basically what it is. Some people said it's like their fraud detection system is tuned to behaviors, especially for the people in developed countries. If you have a couple phones that show up in different locations, I think they just ban you, so something like that. Nobody knows. This app is still seems it's in beta. It's quite unprofessional from them. So